Zebra swallowtail flies through the valley, lands on the flowers, sips sweet nectar. Life is sweet, life is good, life is right. The mastodons come crashing through, eating leaves and branches. The mastodons come crashing through, bringing light to the understory. Before I continue, I should explain there used to be a butterfly called the zebra swallowtail, which used to exist in lots of places, including based on my research city, New York City, and Pittsburgh. It says plant is a pawpaw, which produces pawpaw trees, and 100 years ago disappeared because of massive industrial development. Watch my other video for more information. I'm having writer's block. This is my teaser for Chartiers Creek. I want help on Chartiers Creek, and I'm not sure how to write all this shit. All right, thank you. Bye.